Hello aspirants, this is a lecture series for students who are preparing for UPSC Civil Service Exam 2025. Before we start lecture, I am going to explain how we are going to prepare for the next year. In each lecture, I am going to cover some portion of UPSC syllabus, then I am going to give you some homework. Without completing that homework, don't watch the next lecture. You have to complete the homework. I will also give you some MCQs to solve based on what we have covered in the last lecture. Watch lectures from the start to finish. If you don't understand anything, ask me in the comments. I will clear your doubts in the next lecture. I will provide you detailed notes on all topics we cover here, as well as short notes or keyword notes, which will help you for easy revision. Syllabus step by step cover करेंगे. Today is our first lecture, so I am going to cover an easy topic. Let us start with preamble. This is the text of Preamble of Indian Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Here three words are highlighted: socialist, secular and integrity, because they were not part of the original Constitution that we adopted on 26 November 1949. The Constitution was amended in 1976 to add these three words, and that was done by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. Our preamble is amended only once in 1976. That is important, remember that. Now you have to do homework before you watch the next lecture. First of all, read official UPSC notification. In the official UPSC notification, read exam pattern and syllabus of the exam. Select your optional subject for mains exam. Then read preamble. You should know preamble by heart and इसलिए आपको रट्टा मारना होगा. Then read preamble chapter from Lakshmikant or any other book you may have. Just read the chapter, don't make notes. In the next lecture, we will cover preamble chapter and I will also provide short notes or keyword notes so that it will be easier to revise. See you in the next lecture.